Hello students, welcome to online session of EVS 1 lesson number 15 My district, my state. Study a big tree given here using the following points. What are the different parts of a tree? Parts of the tree are roots, trunk, branch, leaves, flower and fruit. Which of these are seen most of the time? Leaves, branches, trunks and roots are seen most of the time. Leaves, branches and trunks can be seen to us, but the roots are under the ground so we cannot see them. Which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? The smallest part of a tree is a leaf and it is attached to a branch. A tree has many small branches. What are they attached to? These smaller branches are attached to the big branches and these big branches are attached to the trunk. To be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas, and districts. Do you know? Man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. He settled near his farms and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. These hamlets and settlements grew into villages, which then developed into cities. By following the pictures given here, you can see how villages, cities, and towns form a taluka, talukas form a district, and districts form a state. The physical map of our state is given. Study it carefully and tell the answers to the following questions. What is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south in our state? Yes, it is Sahyadri Mountains. What is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? Yes, it is Konkan region. On the shore of which sea does this region lie? Yes, Arabian Sea. What is the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? Yes, Maharashtra Plateau. What is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? Yes, it is Satpura Mountains. Which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west? Yes, it is Tapi. Tell the names of two rivers which flow from northwest to southeast. Yes, they are Bhima and Godavari. Tell the names of any two rivers which have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea. Yes, they are Savitri and Vaitarna. Find the ranges which originate in the Sahyadri mountain and spread to the east. Yes, they are Mahadev range and Harishchandra Balaghat range. Which are the important dams shown on the map? Yes, they are Jaikwadi, Bhandardara, Radhanagari. Which rivers are these dams built on? Yes, they are Godavari, Pravara, Bhogavati. Name the important ghats in the Sahyadri mountains. Yes, they are Amboli, Ponda, Amba, Bor, Tamhini, Kumbharli, Thal and Varandha. Do you know Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state? Nagpur is the second capital. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into three regions: the coastal region, the mountainous region, and the plateau region. The Godavari River is the longest river in Maharashtra. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Astamba. The Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state.